Hello children, welcome back to chemistry class. Today we will discuss group 18 elements. Before this we have discussed the physical properties and other properties of this group elements. So let us see the chemical properties of these elements. So what is that? Chemical properties. Chemical properties. Chemical properties. So you know that 18 group elements are very less reactive. 18 group elements are very less reactive. That means in normal condition they do not react with other elements, even more electronegative elements also. Okay, it means they are dis-reactive. And what is their reactivity? What is the reason of their reactivity? Okay, so first reason we find what is that? First is they have what? Filled. They have a stable electronic configuration. Stable electronic configuration. They have stable electronic configuration. Okay. And second we see they have high ionization potential. High ionization potential. Means ionization potential is high. It means it is difficult to react with some elements or some compounds, whatever is present in atmosphere here and there. Okay, stable configuration. We see about stable configuration. That means they have filled NS2 and P6. Means in outermost they have 8 electrons, except helium. So this is the main reason of their less reactivity. This is the main reason of less reactivity. Okay, but scientists have tried to make some compounds of 18 group elements and got succeed. In that, scientist was Neil Bartlett. Neil Bartlett was the scientist. Neil Bartlett was the scientist who prepared first compounds of hallucin family. Neil Arthur in 1960. Neil Arthur Bartlett in 1962 prepared some compound of noble gases, and after that he prepared many compounds of xenon. So he prepared this compound Xe, Pt and F6. First compound was prepared by him was this. It is a red color. What is this? A red color. Okay, it is red compound. After that, many compounds of xenon has been discovered. Many compounds of xenon has been prepared after this. And he prepared compounds of xenon with most electronegative elements like and F and to prepare many compounds are xenon with X and O, and this. So he prepared many compounds with xenon, but krypton compound was Kr(F2) was prepared but could not be isolated. Okay, and radon compound has not been discovered. What we have seen here, we seen that he tried and prepared many compounds of xenon, and one compound of difluoride have been studied in detail. Means krypton difluoride was prepared. Okay, and other compounds like radon's compound could not discovered. So what type of compound is being formed by that? Let us see what type of compounds are being formed. So one compound of radon was identified, RnF2, but could not discovered, and compounds of argon and neon and helium are not yet known. So what we have seen here, we have seen that the scientists named Bartlett prepared the first compound like this, and many other scientists also have tried to prepare the compounds of say 18 group elements, but they could not succeed. Here they prepared the compound and many compounds of different elements of 18 groups he prepared like this. So what we have seen here, we see that different compounds were discovered by him. Like this he prepared this compound Kr2F, this krypton compound, and this compound was identified but could not be isolated. And argon, helium and neon compounds are not known. Helium, argon, neon compounds are not yet discovered. Okay, so this is the history and how does they form the compounds. Let us see how many compounds it forms with xenon. So xenon formed by the compound with most electronegative element, that is fluoride. Okay, so it forms like this compound XeF2, XeF4 and XeF6, and these were prepared like this: Xe plus F2. Temperature was given like that 673 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure. It was prepared like that. Okay, and other you see, this was prepared by X reaction under C1 by 2F2, and by how was it prepared? By the reaction of this and 7 or 8 bar atmospheric pressure and 870 bar. This was prepared. Okay, and next and last was prepared by the reaction of what? Xe xenon plus F2 and 60 to 70 atmospheric pressure. Okay, and 573 Kelvin. Okay, so this was prepared. These compounds were prepared. Okay, and then look at how we can prepare. So this can be prepared by the addition of XeF4 plus O2F by the reaction of this XeF4 can be prepared. XeF6 can be prepared. So what we have seen? We have seen that they can be prepared. Xenon fluoride compounds can be prepared and they are binary compounds. They are binary compounds. So here we will see they are colorless, crystalline, solid, and sublime, at 298 calorie. Sublime at 298 calorie. And they are used as fulminating acid. They are used as fulminating agent. They are easily hydrolyzed. They are easily hydrolyzed by trace of what? They are easily hydrolyzed by trace of, okay, like this. We are taking, let's say, F2 and hydrolyzed and gives HC2HF and half. Okay, and we see the structure of this. So structure of this compounds can explain on the basis of Westphal theory. The structure of these compounds are explained on the basis of Westphal theory. So what is the structure? Also, the structure of this one is linear. What is linear? And the structure of this one is square pyramidal. Square planar, for instance, planar, and that distorted, that has distorted octahedron. Okay. So structure of this compound science will explain on the basis of Westphal theory. So what is the structure? The structure of that one linear. This one is square planar, and this is distorted octahedron. Here we see that structure. This linear, square planar, and distorted octahedron due to presence of lone pair electron in them. So other property about this. Let us see what is the other property about this is they react with acceptor to form cationic species and with donor form anions. Let us see how does it like XeF2 related to EF6 and then PF5 and it forms XeF like this species. Okay, species here and add donor gives it form or it gives anionic species Xa. Yes, 6 and now Xa 7. So what we have seen, they form anionic as well as cationic compounds by the reaction of different compounds. Here it will take here acceptor, it forms cationic. If it take with donor, it forms anionic. Okay. So this we have discussed. Let us discuss some more compound. So hydrolysis of XeF4 and XeF6. Hydrolysis of XeF4 and with water gives Xe3. Okay, here X3O4 plus H2, okay, and it forms XeO3 and let us balance it. Okay, so part is 12, 6, okay, and here we have 3O2 and plus 24 HF 24 HF. Okay, so let us balance it. So what we have seen, we have balanced it. 6 HCl4 plus 12 gives out 24 HF to XeO3 plus CO2 plus 4X. Okay, and next hydrolysis XeF6 plus 3H2 gives XeO3 plus 6HF. So this is the hydrolysis. But at partial hydrolysis we get different product. Partial hydrolysis of F6 gets compounds. So H2 partial, we can write partial hydrolysis. Partial hydrolysis. Okay, it gives us XeOF4 plus 2HF. Okay, and next partial hydrolysis of this XeF6 plus 2H2. It gives us, what is that? It gives us XeO2 F2 plus 4H. So what we have seen here, we have seen that on hydrolysis of this two, we get this product HCl3. Okay, and partial hydrolysis of this XeF6 give us, what is that? Oxyfluoride. Xenon oxyfluoride. Give us xenon oxyfluoride. So these are the properties. And other property. So let us see the properties of these two. What is that? Xe. Let us see properties of these two or structure of these two. So what we have seen is, we have seen this XeO3. Okay. It has, sorry, it is colorless, explosive solid, has filamentary structure. pyramidal structure. Okay, process structure. About this XeO4, it is liquid, it is volatile liquid, it is volatile liquid and has a square pyramidal structure. Square pyramid. Square pyramid structure. Okay. So this we have discussed. So this is all about the compounds of xenon. Okay. So in xenon we discussed this. Let us see the uses of this. Uses of, so one by one we will discuss what is the uses of xenon and other elements of this. Okay, so let us see what is that. If you see, first is neon, argon, krypton. Okay, these are the compounds. So what are their uses? Let us see one by one. Now it is filled in balance. It is filled in balance. Okay. And it is also used. It is also used in filling values and meteorological observations. Okay. And very important use of this one is it is mixed with oxygen cylinder used by dairy. Used by dairy. Okay, it means it is mixed with oxygen cylinder and that is being taken by dairy. Neon and helium. This one is being used to protect electronic movements from high voltage, and argon. You know that argon. What is the use of argon? Provide the inner atmosphere. Is used for inner atmosphere for meteorological process also and in bulk etc. also. And there is no significant use of xenon and krypton. So this is all about the 18 group elements. Okay, thank you students.